Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about the WA4094. You'll notice you have small parts similar to the WA4096. Did not include all the pipes here because they are the same. A couple things to note that the WA4094 gutter cleaning kit has. It has an adapter for the Worx turbine fusion models. I'll come back to that in just a moment. We have the adapter for the WG512. We have our connecting piece, which we will put here in our main pipe, as well as the sleeve adapter. Please note that this turbine fusion adapter only works for fusion models. So items such as the WG510. It is currently discontinued. However, they still have this model, and this will be needed to use the universal gutter cleaning kit. The example that I have for you today, however, is going to be with the WG512. Pretty simple process, similar to the other ones that we saw with the WA4096 gutter cleaning kit. So without further ado, I'm going to attach some parts and show you how to connect the main base pipe to the TriVac. First, I'm going to start with the adapting piece here. There's a little notch, as you can see right here. You want to line that up. This little dot here. Once that's in, you'll find the groove, and you'll know it's in there because you can spin it around and it's locked in. This does have the same opening as the WA4096. However, for this demonstration, we will not be using it. Similar setup here, match them up. Take the bag off of the WG512. Again, please note, in order to use this universal gutter cleaning kit on the TriVac, it must be operated in vacuum mode. I'm going to attach the adapter. Attach the sleeve. Once that's a good snug fit, you can connect to your other pipes and you are ready to go.